Good morning, my name is Peter Koen. We are here at the IPM in Essen, and as a product manager for Tropicals, I'm very happy to give you a quick update on what we are displaying here. We have here a tropical setup with succulents, with anthuriums, as well with orchids, with phalaenopsis from our company from Taiwan. I would like to introduce the Gasteria Flow to you. It's a very nice Gasteria, easy to grow for growers, but also very easy to take care for consumers. It has a very little need of water. Just water it once every 3 months and it will stay very nice. Available in Europe as well in America. Another highlight is the anthurium. Anthurium million flowers has literally 1 million flowers. In Europe available by Karma Plants, in America and in Asia available through selected growers. For now available in red, but we're working on more colors like white, orange and pink. I really love these cutie small orchids from Taiwan, grown in America as well in Europe. It does extremely well in the smaller pot sizes. Think about 2.5 inch or 6 centimeter pots. This is for example Sogo Sakura. Sakura is a Japanese word for cherry blossom. And if you look to the flower color, you can remember the cherry blossom in Japan. Another really cool concept is Tropical Treasures. Tropical Treasures is a collection of tropical plants. Think about anthuriums, orchids, succulents, foliages. The concept right now is specifically targeting 7 centimeter pots. When that is running, we are open to talk with the retailers for other pot sizes. Another beauty of the succulent range is the Haworthia Royal Albert. See these beautiful white spots. It fits in all kind of arrangements. In Europe available through Ubink, in America available through selected growers. It fits very well in the current trend of green plants, low maintenance plants, plants with little water need. Is it a plant or a home decoration item? That's the question for you. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Feel welcome to visit our main booth at the IPM Essen in Hall 2 and come to the conference room in the basement. Bye bye.